Cursor versus Cloud Code, two AI tools that want to make you the laziest yet most productive developer ever. But which one is actually worth your time and your wallet? Today we are breaking it down: features, performance, price, and yes, which one helps you look smarter in front of your boss. Alright, let's start with what those two actually are. Cursor is like VS Code. It is an AI powered code editor that integrates GPT or cloud directly inside your workspace. You highlight, ask, and boom, it edits, fixes, and even complete your project. Cloud Code, on the other hand, is from Androtropic, the same folk behind the Cloud Sonnet 4.0 model. It's more like your nerdy coding friend who lives in the cloud and gives ridiculously detailed explanation for everything. When it's come to coding experience, those two have very different vibes. Cursor lives inside your ID, so you can code, chat, and refactor without ever leaving your editor. Highlight your messy code, press Ctrl plus K, and tell Cursor, make the code look like 10x better, and it actually does. Cloud Code, the feel more like a conversation. You can dump an entire project folder and ask, hey Cloud, what on earth is this React component doing? And it will explain like a teacher. So right now, let's do a quick feature comparison. So Cursor has built-in editor just like VS Code. On the other hand, you need browser to use Cloud Code. Both Cursor and Cloud can refactor your code. Both has collaboration feature, but you can use Cursor offline, but you cannot use Cloud Code offline. Pricing is same for both of them. It's around $20. Alright, let's talk real life. If you are a solo developer building website or apps and want to code faster, Cursor is your guy. You can write, debug, and ship without ever touching ChatGPT again. If you are dealing with huge, scary code bases, the kind that gives you nightmares, Cloud Code is your therapist. It explains everything calmly, even when you have no idea what is happening. So, which one should you use actually? Honestly, the dream combo is using both. You can generate your complex project using Cloud Code and you can edit the code or refactor it using Cursor. But if you have to go only one of them, then go with Cloud Code, and instead of Cursor, you can use VS Code, and it also right now have some AI capabilities. So there you go. Cursor versus Cloud Code. Which one do you prefer? And hey, if this video helped you out, smash that like button to subscribe to Web Tech Knowledge, and I will see you in the next one.